In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find downloaded files in Telegram Desktop. First, open Telegram Desktop on your computer. This guide specifically uses the desktop app for Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. The web version doesn't include the options we need, so make sure you're using the installed desktop application. If you're asked to log in, go ahead and do that. You might be prompted to confirm your account in the mobile app or enter a code. Once you're in, you'll be on your main chat list. Now, look to the top left corner of the Telegram window and click the three horizontal lines to open the main menu. From there, choose Settings. If your window is small, the menu may be condensed, but that three-line icon is always your entry point to the app's controls. Inside Settings, scroll and open Advanced. Advanced is where Telegram keeps technical preferences and storage tools. This is exactly where Telegram explains how your files and media are stored locally on your computer. In Advanced, select Manage Local Storage. This opens a window that summarizes everything Telegram has saved on your device, including cached media, documents, and space usage. Don't worry, opening this won't delete anything. It's simply a dashboard that helps you understand what's stored and where. Within this storage window, click Downloads. This view focuses on files you've downloaded through Telegram. Here you'll typically see the download location on your computer and, in most cases, a quick way to open that folder directly. Look for an Open in Folder, Show in Finder, or Show in Explorer button. What it's called can vary slightly by operating system, but it serves the same purpose. Clicking it takes you straight to the folder where Telegram saves your files. Once the folder opens, you can sort, rename, move, or back up anything you need, just like you would with any other files on your computer. A quick tip to keep in mind: Telegram distinguishes between cached media and files you explicitly download. Cached items help chats load faster, but they aren't always in your standard Downloads folder. The Downloads view is where you'll find the files you chose to save. If you prefer a specific folder for future downloads, note the path you see here so you remember where items will appear next time. That's it. By navigating to Settings, Advanced, Manage Local Storage, and then Downloads, you can reliably locate the files Telegram Desktop has saved on your computer and open the folder that contains them.